Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we will be playing, I just got the app, I'm sorry. We will be playing some Subway Surf.
What, Kelsey?
I just got my new phone, so
129.
we're in Takis right now.
How long do we have until we go to church?
Like 7 hours.
Hey, Kelsey, we should stay up all night. Why?
I'm gonna.
I need some sleep.
Me too, Bill. If Bill's staying up, I'm staying up.
You have to stay up. Did you hear that, Madison? I don't think I'm gonna. I'm still playing. I just got distracted. That's why I died. Oh poop. I did not mean to do that. Yeet. Yeet. Aw. Get wrecked, stupid cop. Oh crap, he's still behind me. Nope, nope. Ah. Ooh, that was close. What? I can't get up there? How would I get up there? Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yes, Kelsey, look where I am. I'm on the roof. Yep. Oh yeah, now that
We should take turns.
yeah. My sister's here with me, and we're gonna be taking turns right now. It's William's turn, and then next it'll be Kelsey's once I die. I'm about to die
Now
though.
we just like switch phones.
Freak! Oh my gosh. No, we don't have to switch phones. We just watch. Unless you want to switch phones. I don't. I just got my new phone, and my sister likes my phone better than hers.
Super cool.
Yeah, I want the same phone.
You would get technically the same phone that was by mine that I was gonna get, but I didn't have enough money, obviously, because I didn't get my $100 yet.
But I'll have 114, so I'll be able to get it.
Yeah, you'll be able to get the one I couldn't get, plus a card like I did. See, I get a card for unlimited data for a month.
And then I'll be able to get another thing.
Did you hear me, Kelsey? I get unlimited data for a month.
Yeah, but then you got paid again.
Yeah, I know. On my birthday, I'm gonna get more cards, and then put them on my thing after. Cause I'm gonna get more cards on my birthday, and I'm gonna get a case for it, and then I'm gonna get a what are those one things called? The pop sockets.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
and I'm gonna get
too.
one of those for my phone. It doesn't work for tablets.
I know. I'm gonna get one for my phone.
Oh my gosh, it's going so fast.
Madison, you need to be careful. I don't want that to spill all over my white pillow.
That did not
That will
count, Kelsey.
be a red pillow.
I just got distracted by you
That
guys.
will be a red pillow.
Okay, I already know it'll be
Can
red.
you please not sit on my pillow?
It'll be pink, not red. Because white and pink, red.
I don't
white
care.
And red.
I don't care. I don't want my pillow dyed.
Okay, you don't have to do. You don't have to.
I was talking in my regular voice, was I not, Bill?
Kelsey,
You were talking in your regular voice.
Kelsey,
Thank you.
I'll start this out for you.
No, I wanted to stay.
I just put it in there so it could sit for a little bit, and then I was gonna mix it. But I don't want to get my hands dirty with whipped cream. We just made fluffy slime.
Cream.
Mine's the soft.
You mean
I
shaving
meant
foam?
shaving foam. Mine's the softest out of all of them, and the mine's like the fluffiest and the softest. Feels so amazing. It feels so like gooey though, cause like I put so much shaving cream. So I'm itching my eyeball. I know it's William's turn, by the way. BTW. Nope. That's how I rule. Sunny boys.
Guys,
like,
we are eating Takis at the same time.
Yeah. I'm gonna multitask. Okay, now it's Kelsey's turn. I'm gonna multitask.
Seriously, that's my pillow. Yo, it's your girl. Okay, my YouTube channel will be down in the, I don't know what I just did.
Description.
In the description.
Below.
I have to watch this stupid thing. Sorry if you guys I'll be back with you guys when this thing is over. All right, guys, let's play. Is it spicy? Dude, I totally tried to go get those coins, but, you know, I have fake nails on, like, really long ones, too. And they're pointy, so...
Each person gets one turn.
Bro, seriously?
Mm-hmm.
That isn't supposed to happen. No, I was talking to this. I wasn't talking to you. Like, I already know that. Just, yeah.
By the way, guys, we're using my phone right now. Not hers.
Yeah.
BTW, by the way.
PT dubs, guys. Like, yeah, we're using his.
You me puppy so soft.
I saved myself.
No, you're not allowed to use those.
We're not.
No, because I want to save them.
Seriously?
William's turn. Oh, I got keys. I got keys from the box. Okay. Now it's William's turn. Let's do this. Wee.
That was a really spicy one.
What was it? The green one? Or the purple one? I mean, not the purple one. The purple ones
Guys,
aren't
we are
even
talking
hot.
about Takis. The reason why we call them, like, was that a glitch? That was totally a
That
glitch.
was so a glitch. That was freaking stupid. Okay, it's still William's turn. Because that was so a glitch. It was being stupid. I don't know
So,
what just
guys,
happened.
Yeah, like...
Yeah, what were you going to say before?
I don't know. That's why I said
Were you going to say, like, we were eating Takis while we were playing? Something like that.
The reason why we say, like, purple Takis is because they're in a purple bag. When we say green Takis, you can go with them. When we say green Takis, that means, like, because they're in a green bag. Like, if we say black Takis, then they're in a black bag.
With the purple X on it.
Yeah.
They're from Kroger. They're pretty good.
Honestly.
They're not even spicy. They're good, though.
My stomach is hurting.
Why didn't you keep it on the pillow?
Because I was laying my head the other way and I didn't want to bump it. And get stuff all over.
Then I can't reach it. Because I don't feel like leaning back. I don't want to die. I could pause it, but I don't want to. Let's go. I about died. I was about to get hit by a train. You bit that, didn't you? I just ate it.
This one I didn't eat. It's full.
You licked it.
No, I promise.
Oh.
Oh, I'm spilling them all over me.
You guys Kelsey, you gave me a purple one. There you go. Your turn. Now it's Kelsey's turn. There you go. Your Takis are always peppery. Those are purple ones. Big one. Look at that.
I want one. I want a bite of it.
Purple. Another big one. Black.
Hold on.
It's a big one too. BTW, we bought so much Takis today. I'm sorry, Kelsey.
What?
for this.
Oh, Bill.
Guys, let's moon Kelsey.
Don't.
Why would I moon you?
Because you're Bill.
Wow. I have 2 big ones for you.
Okay.
Both of the big ones are black bags. These big black ones are
Crap.
actually getting pretty spicy.
Done.
I know. No, you put it on the pillow?
Okay, you should end that video because it's really long.
Why is my freaking phone so hot?
I'm tired.
Okay, bye guys. That's the end of the video, sadly.
Subscribe, like all his YouTube videos. Make sure that you guys go check me out, and mine will be in the description down below.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Really?
Bye, guys.
Bye. Love you.
Love you.